Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make navy bean soup in a crock pot. First, you'll want to prepare your navy beans. Soaking them overnight is crucial for a creamy texture and faster cooking. Simply rinse and sort your dry beans, then cover them with plenty of water. This simple step makes a big difference in the final dish, ensuring your soup is perfectly tender and delicious. Once your beans are ready, it's time to assemble your soup in the crock pot. Add the soaked beans along with diced ham, chopped onions, carrots, and celery. Pour in about 6 cups of chicken or vegetable broth. Season with a couple of bay leaves, a teaspoon of dried thyme, and a half teaspoon of black pepper. This combination creates a rich, savory foundation. Now let your crock pot do the work. Cook your navy bean soup on the low setting for 6 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours. The longer, slower cook time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Stir it occasionally, especially towards the end, to ensure everything cooks evenly and the beans become wonderfully tender. Your kitchen will smell amazing. Finally, your delicious navy bean soup is ready to enjoy. Remember to remove the bay leaves before serving. Ladle into bowls and garnish with some fresh parsley or a dash of your favorite hot sauce for an extra kick. This comforting soup is perfect for a chilly evening. For more great tips and deals, including a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Enjoy your homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.